guys, here we go again. So I'm gonna have to do a little bit more to this right here. Trying to create a little driveway to come in and keep moving around. Got a few things going on here. So we're gonna build a deck. I'm gonna do a deck right here. I'm sorry, a deck right here to grab this. Go up in here. Hey, buddy. 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 Oh, man, I found a little friend here. Hey, buddy. Somebody left their dog here. Hey, 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 hey. Hey, hey. Hey, hey, hey. Come on. Hey, hey, well. Hey, well. All right, get down, get. Remind me of my dog. Oh man, I hate that. No. Get him, boy. Here. Get him. Get him. He looking for a deal. Get him. Yeah. People lose their dogs. So we can get these guys to get their stuff in. Got a little deck here. One that can't take any weight. Okay, so we got the hole dug. So this is what it's gonna look like, man. This works out pretty good. Got a little bit of lumber back over there. Like we got some more material there. Oh, okay, we got enough material over there. All right, guys. So next thing I want to do is get my siding in here. We got to get these walls on this thing right here, man. So this is a shower pan that goes downstairs. It's got a wall right here. Got that tub. I have the surround that goes on the shower. So we're not gonna do tile, we're just gonna do surrounds here. So we already got the shower fixtures and everything. So that's what that looks like. Look at the scraps and stuff, man. Okay, they got that high enough, so that's good. Really. Okay, so we're gonna have something that's gonna go through there. So, all right, guys, this is not gonna be bad at all. It's gonna be a nice looking house. So we should be ready for installation next week and close these walls up. Hey, buddy. Oh, hey, buddy. Get him, boy. Get him, boy. Get him, boy. Get him, boy. You know, I think that's his dog down here. Let me see if his dog got loose. His dog got loose. Johnny, let me get down here. Stop. Get back. Oh, you want to bite. Get back. Yeah, that must be his dog. I think he got loose. But this is what we look like here, guys. It's gonna be a nice little, it's gonna be a nice house here. Look totally different to me. Get it! Throw it down this way, man. Let him run down this way.
No, here. Sit. Boy. Speak.
Go get it back. Get it back. He lost it.